Huwag mong tulungan ang tao na to. Mapapagod ka lang. Stop helping people who don't want to be helped. Bakit? Mapapagod ka? Sayang ang effort at mawawalan ka pa ng peace of mind. You can't force growth on someone who resists change or pagbabago sa buhay nila. Some people stay stuck. Actually, they want to be stuck. Kasi hinahanap nila kung saan sila sanay, komportable. Kasi they feel safe there. Kahit subukan mo silang tulungan, they return to the same habits, the same patterns, again and again. Not because hindi nila kaya magbago, but because unconsciously, they really don't want to. Actually, there was a study led by social psychologist Wendy Wood. Ang sabi dito, 40 to 45% ng mga tao fall back to old practices. For example, mga nakasanayan nila sa pamilya nila kahit hindi magandang experience to. Another is everyday routine that led to the same problems. Kasi they want the familiar at takot sila sa pagbabago. So protect your energy. Invest in those people who wants to grow.